Salgaocar Shipping Company, that is block number 2, which is at Shirgao mine. With this new block, as of now, we have operationalized 3 blocks. So out of 12, we will have 5 blocks totally operational. So by July, we are optimistic that we will be able to put few more blocks for auction. Now these 12 blocks which we have so far auctioned, the EC covered therein is around 12 million tons per annum. And Honorable Supreme Court has put a cap of 20 million tons per annum production, which means we are left still with 8 million tons for auctioning. We have taken an undertaking from Salgaocar Shipping that from the outer wall of the temple there will be a buffer of 150 meters from new Lairai temple. So within that buffer of 150 meters, they will neither do any mining activity there nor any sort of dumping there throughout the life of the mining lease. From that Dhondanchi Tali, 80 meters from that Dhondanchi Tali, there will never be any mining activity.